Now, Mendel hybridization experiment. How did Mendel made a crossing pea? Mendel selected 7 pairs of true breeding garden pea varieties. P. Pisum sativum is the Latin name of pea. So there were 4 steps. First is the selection of 2 pea plants with the contrasting characters. Then is emasculation, that is to remove anther of one plant to avoid self-pollination. Then is the collection of the pollen grain from other plant, that is male parent, and transferred to female parent. This process is pollination, as we have studied in the earlier lessons. Then is the collecting and the germination of seed to produce progeny. So there are 4 steps, that is selection, emasculation, collection and germination of seed to produce offspring. Now next is the most important, that is the inheritance of one gene, which is also known as monohybrid cross. Mendel investigated opposing traits and then he crossed tall and dwarf pea plants to study the inheritance of one gene. For this he collected the seeds produced from the cross and grew them to generate a plant of the first hybrid generation, that is capital T small t. This was obtained by the cross of the gametes, that is capital T and small t. First of all, the parents we will study from the first, that is parents. We took homozygous tall plant, that is dominant one, and homozygous dwarf, that is recessive. The gametes taken from this were capital T, small t. Then this capital T and small t undergone cross, and the first filial generation obtained was capital T, small t. This filial generation, that is in heterozygous condition. They had equal proportion, that is 50% chance of capital T and 50% chance of small t. Then the gametes were selved, that is we obtained 2 capital T and 2 small t. This gametes then undergone second filial generation, that is this diagram is known as Punnett square. It was developed by Reginald Punnett, and it was basically